practical research to mastery learning task number 2. What is quantitative research? So quantitative research deal with numerals and how it can be described a phenomenon or infer a relationship. Question number 2. What are the characteristics of quantitative research? First is large sample size. Second is objectivity. Three is concise and visual presentation. Fourth is faster data analysis. Fifth is generalized data. Six is fast and easy data collection. Seven is reliable data. And last is high replicability. Question number 3. Discuss the strength of quantitative research. Strengths of quantitative research. The factual quality of quantitative research and its generalizability to a population becomes the basis of its strength. So, first is analysis of data is assisted with statistical methods. These are mathematical tools in which can be perceived to become more meaningful. So next is large-scale research can be undertaken due to many data collection methods that can be employed in quantitative research that are relatively easy to administer. A research with a large number of sample is possible. So next is data can be presented in graphical or tabular form. Other data statistical analysis. Researchers can analyze data using graphical or tabular representations. Question number 4. Discuss the weaknesses of quantitative research. The weaknesses of quantitative research. First is a large sample size requires a lot of time and effort. The goal to generalize the result of quantitative studies requires a larger sample size, which can be an issue for many researchers. Next is statistical analysis of data requires an expert to perform. So next is quantifying and reducing observation to just pieces of numerical values makes it too simplistic. So question number 5. How do the characteristics of quantitative research differ from those of qualitative research? One is the qualitative analysis and different is quantitative research. Quantitative research utilizes statistical and analytical statements to get a conclusion, whereas the quality search depends on the verbal and written data. Question number 6. How can quantitative research generalize an entire population? For quantitative research to be generalizable to a larger population, a probability sampling method must be used. The most basic probability sample method is simple random sampling, in which the people to be studied are selected from the complete sampling frame only by chance. Question number 7. How do the strength of quantitative research complement the weaknesses of qualitative research? The strengths of quantitative research complement the weaknesses of qualitative research. Qualitative research demands flexibility so that you may react to user data as it arises during a season, but quantitative research necessitates standardizing data gathering to enable statistical comparison.